What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for your love and support. To all my channel members, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. Guys, today I will be in Seamless TV kitchen, Dwayne and Kerry's kitchen. Yes, guys, there was an epic prank about the counselor and Seamless TV. I planned that with Kerry. And guys, Dwayne turned around and planned with my husband for prank me. That one was epic. So you know what? I'm going to cook for them right now. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to do to them. Me and Kerry planned this one. Yeah, and a recipe thing in this kitchen. This kitchen is freestyle. So we have some pasta here, so. And we have some color pepper, assorted bell pepper right here. And right here I have teaching C. Miller how to cook freestyle. No recipe here. We're doing shrimp and pasta. Alright? So we have the shrimp right here. And we're going to do it over there, so we'll soon come back. Oh, so the sea mass in the pot here. The Irish mass cooking right here. So it'll come down. Yeah, these are the strong back here, so I make from scratch. Yeah, man.
The best tasting food, Janet's kitchen.
Yeah, this is Sister J's Caribbean cuisine in Kerry's kitchen, Seamless TV. Yes. Oh, so these are the shrimp there, sir? And over here, so we have the sauce. Yeah. But it's a freestyle, so you're not going to see it step by step. It's a freestyle in a Kerry's kitchen.
That looks delicious already.
Yeah. I see the pasta over here, so. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so this is the shrimp. Yes. And this is the pasta over here. So we're going to mix up everything. And it's going to be shrimp pasta. Sister J's Jamaican Caribbean cuisine. But on the channel is Sister J's Caribbean cuisine. And I'm in Kerry's kitchen, Seamless TV. Yeah, man.
Well, I can't wait for her.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the ouch, ouch.
Spicy.
I have to eat this one. So.
Wow.
Spicy.
Wow, okay.
Okay. What happened?
Bad like this is.
Eh? What happened?
Spicy. Yeah, it come.
So how food no one looks up plain?
Because you were pranking your own now, so some prank you with the spicy food now. See your food over there, so yeah. See for you, yeah. The back side, I'm on the one front. Take that. Take that. Can't in your one now. Yeah. Food. Take that now. Yeah. See your food over there, so there. Don't play with me.
Yeah.
Don't play with me.
Too spicy.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Them try.
Don't play with me.
So you still need to my one.
I think
You have to switch it the time.
that's your food over there. It's not yours. We know say turn afraid of pepper.
Yeah, you never know you don't have to talk quick. You them have to eat it.
Yeah, but still want some of that to me.
No,
Yeah, man, more some of that. For real. Guys, the food spicy, but it bad. But it bad. Me get my one with no spice, but she prank me. I'm going to spice one with my taste it. But the spice one I slap like him 16. Come on, go try. Mash me up.
Daddy, she pranked you?
Yeah.
Kerry, tell them what we do to Dwayne and Wayne.
We switch your food then.
You switch the spicy food.
Told you it was a prank.
Yeah, because we know they were afraid of pepper.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the